I invite you to take a look at this picture of hot sauces. Is it a photograph taken with a camera? Or is it a painting? Believe it or not, this picture of hot sauces that you see before you was painted by this guy. His name is Glennray Tutor, and he is what we call a photorealistic painter. He makes his paintings look so stinking realistic that it looks like it was a picture taken with an iPhone 11. But no, these are paintings. So what does Glennray Tutor like to paint the most? Things from his childhood or nostalgic subject matter. One of his favorite motifs, or things he likes to paint, are marbles on comic books. And again, seriously, this is a painting, not a photograph. Here's another example of one of his photorealistic paintings. Now, these paintings are very, very large and in charge, and they use something called value to trick your eye into thinking that those marbles are actually 3D, that you could reach into the painting and pick them up. They use highlights and shadows to create this illusion of form. With this next project, we are going to create our own marbles that look 3D. They're going to look like they have form. We're going to use highlights and shadows to do the trick. Start by writing your name and your code on your paper, as always, and then flip it over to the other side to begin work. Then, take a circle tracer and trace 3 circles. After that's done, start painting in your circles. You are going to be using tempera cakes for this job. Tempera cakes need water to wake them up, so make sure that your brush is good and wet before you try to pick up any paint. I suggest, while painting your marbles, you think about the color families. Here are the color families. There are warm colors, red, yellow, and orange, the colors of fire, and the warm family mixes together really nicely. So my first marble, I'm going to paint with the warm colors, because warm colors, if they get mixed together, which they will with this wet tempera paint, it's still going to look bright and beautiful. Another color family that's out there are the cool colors. Those colors are blue, green, turquoise, and purple. On our palette this year, we only have blue and green for the cool colors. But I have good news for you. Blue and green mixed together is turquoise, so that's good. And if you'd like to make purple, you can mix together blue and red. Mix it on your paper, please, not on the tempera cakes. So now I'm done with my cool color marble. The colors have mixed together, but they look still gorgeous. Now I'm going to use the third color family, which are the neutral colors. Those are black, white, and brown. I'm just going to use black and red, because the thing about the neutral colors that's cool is those are very mixable. So you can mix black with either warm or cool colors, and it's going to make it darker all the time. You can mix white with the warm or cool colors, and it's going to make those colors lighter. Right now, you're probably thinking these marbles look pretty flat, not super realistic. Next time, though, when the paint dries, we are going to use highlights and shadows, a part of value, to create an illusion of 3D space. It's going to be awesome. Can't wait.